A date?
Eight.
Date.
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 Date. Date. Date.
Date.
Date?
Outdated medium. I stand.
Or
Outdated technology.
It's outdated.
Yeah, they are a little outdated. It's out.
This is outdated.
More outdated pants.
Reinforce outdated paper records.
Update. I'm back. Update.
Update. Updating iTunes.
Update. Hughes. Update.
Updates are ready. I should update.
Any update?
Updating him.
Update. Update required.
Edit this.
Okay, the edit. The brutal edit.
Genetic editing. Right.
Genetic editing.
Edit page.
Editor.
Murrah editor. Ole Miss Rebel Rouser editor. Junior League editor.
Full.
Editor.
Editor to editor, woman to woman.
Editor.
Whoa!
Being editor.
Dear editor.
Editorial independence.
I don't think.
The editorial.
Have editorial independence.
Sheila, tell editorial.
Editorial.
It's an editorial.
The Medfly editorial.
An unpublished editorial.
Editorial in two.
Bicentennial edition.
Edition.
First edition.
First edition.
Florida edition.
Christmas edition.
Today's edition.
Which edition?
Late edition.
Traditional.
Traditional.
Traditional. Traditional. Traditional.
Traditional. Fuck tradition.
I'm a traditionalist.
Oh, I'm freaking out, Rory.
You're a traditionalist.
Hank Hooper is a traditionalist.
Atla. He's a traditionalist.
She's not a traditionalist, and
Uncle Utam was a traditionalist.
oh yeah, you can call me a traditionalist.
Good, excellent, old-fashioned tradition.
Traitor.
Traitor!
Betray. Betrayed me, betrayed you.
The betrayer is betrayed.
You betrayed Ned.
Betrayed.
Betrayed.
Betrayed. Betrayed. Betrayed. Betrayed.
Betrayed.
Betrayal.
Betrayal!
Betrayal. Benedict Arnold. Betrayal.
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 Treason. Treason.
Treason.
Treason?
Treason.
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 Treacherous. Treacherous.
Often treacherous.
And the treasure is treacherous.
Treacherous. Cold.
Treacherous, irritating fool.
It's very treacherous. It's very treacherous.
Treacherous snake.
Trick.
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 Trick daddy.
A trick. You tricked her.
Tricky.
Tricky.
Tricky. Tricky. Tricky.
Tricky. If I get tricky.
She's a wily temptress.
A wily tempter.
Squirrels are wily. Squirrels are wily.
He's tough. He's wily.
He's a wily one.
Anna. Gregarious. And wily.
Like the wily fish.
He's a wily trickster.
Three wily fourth graders.
Like the wily porcupine. I know.
Let's drink it.
Effie trinket.
Chum, drink it.
Some primitive native trinket.
No, just a little trinket.
Intricate lyrics.
Intricate. The construction.
Such an intricate formicarium.
They are inextricably linked.
We are inextricably linked.
Inextricably linked with that of nucleus.
The three things are inextricably linked. As we are now inextricably connected.
You are becoming inextricably intertwined.
His whole esteem is inextricably bound up with that.
I'm still not with you. Your lives are inextricably linked.
Which led me to wonder if the two weren't, in fact, inextricably linked. And if so...
Intrigue. Intrigue. Intriguing. Very intriguing. Intriguing. Intriguing.
Intrigued.
Intriguing.
Intriguing. Intriguing.
Intriguing.
Intriguing. Intriguing. Intriguing.
Intriguing.
Intriguing.
Intriguing.
Intriguing.
Intriguing.
No donor. No donor.
A donor.
Vanilla latte for donor?
My donor donate. She's pregnant.
Organ donor.
Organ donor.
Anonymous donor.
Organ donor.
Donor's name. Donor's name.
Donate.
Donate.
Donate, 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 and hurry.
Donated.
Donating?
You were the one yelling, donate, donate, donate.
Donated to a
He donated. Donation? Donation?
Donation.
I'll make a donation.
Donation box.
Donation cancelled.
Donation time.
Biggest donation?
dose.
Dose.
Dose. Dose us. Dose us.
Here's a little dose. Little dose.
Dose it. Triple dose.
Last dose.
Second dose. Double dose.
Adjusting my dosage.
What's the dosage?
What? High dosage?
What's the dosage?
Well, increase the dosage.
Case indicates minor dosage.
I measured that dosage properly.
I think we should increase his daily dose. I exceeded the recommended dosage.
Fentanyl. What was the dosage?
Also endowed.
Well endowed. You generously endowed.
Well endowed.
You're well endowed?
Other than well endowed.
He's very well endowed.
Handsome, rich, well endowed.
3 well endowed.
Profiles of endowment recipients, that's all great.
Definitely.
What about I need that endowment.
I'm doubling my endowment.
Into the school endowment plans.
Your endowment's bigger than Harvard.
Dowry.
No dowry.
Dowry?
Your dowry. You take a dowry or no dowry.
No dowry.
For thy dowry. Be that.
No dowry.
Kill my dowry.
You paid Philippa's dowry.
Doll.
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 Some doll. Some doll.
Doll. Doll. Doll. Doll.
Little anecdote.
Fun anecdote.
Manly anecdote.
Anecdote, please.
Guys, anecdote.
Some personal anecdote.
Here's an anecdote.
Announcer.
Wonderful anecdote.
Okay, well that.
That's an incredible anecdote.
Antidote.
Antidote. Antidote.
Dispersing antidote.
The antidote.
The antidote.
Antidote complete.
The antidote.
The antidote.
Condone or condemn.
You condone this?
Found himself condoning something which can't possibly be condoned.
I won't condone violence.
I don't condone it, but...
Farmers.
I'm not condoning that.
You condone the behavior?
I don't condone your methods.
I couldn't condone it.
She's actually still condone corporal punishment.
Model rendered.
Heart rendering.
Rendering fear powerless. Rendering fear powerless.
Payment for services
Was rendered obsolete.
Render safe mission.
Rendering you blameless. Judgment is rendered.
Render imaginated dreamscapes.
Yield.
Yield.
Yield. Yield.
Yield!
Yield. Yield. I yield.
Heart rendering. Just heart rendering.
Rendering fear powerless. Rendering fear powerless. Rendering you blameless.
Rendering it virtually indestructible.
Are you to risk rendering your sacrifice meaningless? Surrender.
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 Lisa Simpson's rendition of Storm.
And he did a beautiful rendition of rendition.
In that particular rendition.
Delightful rendition, really.
Rendition systems.
With a haunting rendition of